Namaskar. I am Ushma Goradia. I am a pediatric physical therapist and a sensory motor therapist. One of the things I enjoy in my clinic is to design therapeutic activities from common everyday material that is found in our immediate environment. So today I'm going to share with you a play activity for young children which is fun and functional and has sensory motor benefits. This activity has been done in Active Karya frequently since many years and our children enjoy doing it. Transparent plastic bottles, they are found everywhere in the form of water bottles, juice bottles, syrup bottles, medicine bottles. They come in all shapes. The bottle could be cylindrical or it could be a square bottle. The bottles come in different textures. Could be a ribbed bottle that the child likes to feel, or could be a plain smooth bottle. And then they come in all different sizes: small, big, medium, large. These plastic bottles, when filled with plain water or colored water, become a good source of play, fun and function for young children. You need to tape or seal these bottles. Children get easily attracted because they like to look at the colored water or they like to look at the color of the bottles, and more importantly, they like to touch, feel and press. Have the child pick up these bottles one or two at a time from point A and place them on point B. In the process, the brain learns about different sizes, shapes, textures and weights of the bottle. It becomes a workout for the upper body, the shoulders and the grasp. The sensory benefits are tactile and proprioceptive feedback, and more importantly, force gradation, meaning how much force do you need to use to pick up different objects that have different weights. And you also get benefits of input through the core muscles when you have this activity done in a particular way as shown in the following videos. You can have your child do this activity either while sitting on the floor or sitting on a low stool or in standing. This activity is very useful for decreasing behaviors of hand flapping and behaviors of throwing objects frequently. Try it out with your young child at home using 10 to 15 bottles. Please watch the following videos.